Real number can be expressed with the help of this diagram. That is, if suppose we know that is what is now natural number, n, natural number, and it is coming like this 1, 2, 3 up to infinite number. Then is coming whole number. This is W for whole number, and it is actually expressing from 0, 1, 2, 3 like this up to infinite. And then comes integers, and this is indicating minus infinity to minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 up to infinite. And then is coming rational number, rational number, and it will be any number that is it may be plus or minus what from up to infinite to positive infinite, negative infinite to positive infinite. It may be fraction, maybe decimal, and another is, this is called irrational number. And this is actually, this is any number which is not perfect square number. Square root of non-perfect square, square root of non-perfect square number, square root of non-perfect square number. Like this. Now I am just giving you some examples over here already. Just here, rational number, it can be formed in the P by Q form, where Q not equal to 0, and any number which is actually square root of non-perfect square numbers of any natural numbers. What are those? Suppose root 3, root 2, root 5, maybe pi, or maybe another term is, this is maybe non-terminating and non-repeating number. Like 3.141441444 like this. So these are actually irrational numbers. Now the real number is including all this. Actually this rectangle is actually showing real number. This is real number, is the all the numbers which is expressed over here, natural, whole number, integers, real number, rational number, irrational number, everything which are actually the numbers which we can express on the number line, and that is actually the real number. So real number is not said, we are just talking about any number which can be expressed on the number line, and it may be all these numbers, whatever.